Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Diecast. So in today's video, we are doing the Autoart 2004 JGTC GT500 ZOX SSR HASEMI Z number 3. So it's a really long name, but long story short, it's basically a 350Z on a wide body kit that was raced in the Super GT series in Japan. So let's get cracking to this. We're gonna get our pick, but I think it's loose enough that I can take it off. Let's see. Yep, definitely is loose enough. I'm just gonna slowly take it off. Maybe I can take this part off. Perfect. It's basically a pretty good piece. You can see that there is a very reflective silver livery going on there, and it's very distinctive at the back here actually. You can just see that reflection right there. There's a bunch of Tomica liveries all over the place as well. Love the wheels. And this model comes in 4 screws. So we shall take that off in a sec. Okay, now that I got it out of the frame, with those 4 screws, it was pretty tight. Wasn't too bad. The biggest issue that I had was just taking it out from that frame base and actually not hitting anything on its way out, and especially this antenna right here. Super scary. But came out unscathed, so I'm pretty happy about that. So first impressions, it kind of looks like a NASCAR livery, especially this number 3 up there. I don't know if this was inspired by, I don't know, North American NASCAR, but this one just reminds me of it, that number 3 up there. So it's like these 3s on the side there. Must be coincidence, I'd say, because this has never been in North America at all. So anyways, I love the livery. I do like the orange a lot. Unfortunately, just because of its age and how I got the model, I guess, I do see some fine cracking of the paint right there. It's not really that noticeable until you see it up close, but it is what it is. I know I don't really start at the back, but you just can't ignore this mirror finish at the back here. It's really, really nice. I've had other models like this as well, and I love that mirror finish at the back at the rear window. The other thing is, I noticed this foil here, even on the sides, it does feel like it's getting a bit bubbly. I think it's very temperamental to probably humidity or heat, or maybe a combination of both. Yeah, like right here as well, I can just see that. But again, it still looks great, especially for a sealed body. I think they did a good job. It almost feels like the doors can open, but obviously it can't. There's not much really we can see in the interior, but I'll still try to show you guys what's there. I do love the bronzes wheels. Bronze? Gold? I don't know. A little bit of both, I guess. The arrow is very nice. I noticed the arrow on these models are very similar to the other Z cars that are in JGTC / Super GT. Yeah, the livery is so nice, and it's even really hard to get these models these days, especially this one. It's pretty much up that alley with the ZOX Mugen NSX. That was one of the hard ones to get, or if not hard, it's ridiculously expensive. But yeah, that's the car right there, and let's get to the wheels. Alright, so now for the wheel detail. Very, very nice. Good decal placement. It almost feels like the real thing. Nice details on the rotors as well, and on the caliper. And let's see the rears here. They look like they're about the same size in the front. About the same detail. Alright, now for the underside. It is basically blank. Absolutely nothing. It's just one full panel. That's okay. It's the top that matters, right? Alright, now it's time for the interior. As you can see, the dash is flocked. Very nicely done. Again, for a sealed body model, it's pretty good. There's not really much detail from the inside, and as it should be, just to do some weight savings and whatnot. I do not like the seatbelt being plastic. The Nismo logos are very nice though. That's a nice added touch. Yeah, like you could just tell as soon as you see the seatbelt it's plastic, so that's unfortunate. Even the steering wheel is flocked as well. Gives you this Alcantara vibe. Yeah, you can see some detail on the inside there. Let's see if we can go closer. Yeah, there's this hole here. Really good detail. I don't know if I can show you the dash here. Yeah, it's pretty tight there. And on the other side, we have more compartments. Not really that much to see. Is there anything at the back? Doesn't look like it. And we can't see anything on the other side as well. It's completely mirrored out. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And again, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments about the model itself, maybe you've seen this in person and when you went in Japan or something, hey, feel free to comment down below. And as always, see you guys next week. Have a good one.